So recently I did a lesson on how to apply chromatic scales on praise. One of you wanted me to do the same lesson on how to apply those chromatic scales on worship song. So in this video I'll be applying chromatic scales on worship and how you can play them very easy. Okay, if you're new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like the video and share to your friends. Okay, I also do private class lessons. If you're interested, you see the link in the description below or in the comment section below. Click on the link to take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay guys, so grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial. So I'll try and make this very easy for you to learn. Okay, so now let's look at step 1. So you saw that the first one was very simple. I was applying the chromatic scale backwards. Okay, so Jehovah is your name. You understand? So the progression goes like this: your 1, your 3. So on your 3 here is where you apply the chromatic scale. Okay, that you descend on that. So 1, dun, 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 dun. You understand? So you descend 4 notes starting from your 5 to your 3. I hope you got that. Okay, so Jehovah is your name. Okay, so this is not the original bass line of the song, but I want to use this song to show you how you can apply the chromatic scale in a progression, especially in worship song. Okay, so 1, dun, 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 dun. Remember, starting from your 5, you descend to your 3, then to your 4, a passing note. So it's very simple. Jehovah is, so Jehovah. So when you're on your va, you just know how to apply them using the progression. So Jehovah is Jehovah. You understand? So now to your 4. Jehovah. So now I apply the chromatic scale on my 7. So my 5 progression to 7. You understand? So Jehovah is your name. You understand? So on my 5. So starting from my 2, descend to my 7. You understand? Jehovah is your name. You understand? So when you're on your 5, dun, dun, you can apply that scale. You understand? If you are fast enough, you understand. But let me make it easy for you. So dun, 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 dun. You understand? Then back to your 1. Oh, so to your 5 again. So I apply the scale there again. You understand? Okay, 1, 3. You start from your 3, then you ascend to your 5. You understand? So you understand? So Jehovah is your name. Jehovah is your name. Jehovah. Then you can do it again. Jehovah is your name. Da, 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 da. You understand? Okay, so now let's look at step 2. You are a mighty warrior. Yes, you're great in battle. Jehovah is your name. You understand? Okay, so you saw that I was applying few 4 notes and few 3 notes to the groove. So it goes like this. Mighty warrior. You understand? So I did a chromatic scale to my 2. You understand? So so starting from my 7 to my 2, you can also descend. So now I am ascending. You understand? So mighty warrior. So now on my 4, and I'm supposed to play my 2. So now I'll descend using my chromatic scale. You understand? Okay, so from your 4, you descend to your 2, 4 notes. You understand? Okay, you can decide to play it here. You understand how you play it to just comfort you. Okay, so mighty warrior, Jehovah is your name. Okay, so 1 5 5 sharp and your 6. Okay, so 1 5 5 sharp 6, 1 sharp 2 2. Then you descend from your 6 to your 5. Okay, you understand? So 6 2 5. You understand? So that is how you can still roll on and come back to the song. So Jehovah is your name. You understand? Okay, then you can continue. So you can also do this if you don't want to do. You can do. So this, you start from your 5 6 7 1 sharp 2. Jehovah is your name. So 5, slide to your 2, 6 5 sharp and your 5 5 1. Okay, going from your 1 to your 3. So 1 and from your 3 to your 5. You understand? And descending from your 7, from your 2 to your 7. So you can either even use it. So we do the chromatic scale 5 6 5 5 5 1. You understand? Okay, so it is not compulsory for you to play everything, like playing the whole chromatic scale in the whole groove. Now in a song, just if you know you'll be playing on your 2, then once it comes in once, or maybe it comes in at least twice in the song, then you can be applying the rest of what you know in the song. But if it is cool if you want to apply all of it, maybe to this, especially to this song, you can apply everything. It sounds great. You understand? You just want to try and use it well, play it well, and make it sound cool. Okay, so I think this is what I have for you today, and just take time and practice them very, very well with a song. And you can also use the 3 note. So you understand? Okay, so I think I'll be seeing you guys next week. Bye for now.